Morgan Yates, and today I am here with my first holiday video of this season. I am partnering with CVS on this video, and it is decorating my house for Christmas. But I'm so excited because I'm in a new house, which means finding new places to put everything and figuring out where my Christmas tree is gonna go and everything like that. And this process is just super fun and exciting for me. If this is the first video you're seeing of mine, I would love if you would subscribe. Leave me a comment below letting me know when you decorate. This is the earliest I've decorated. It's currently November 13th. I normally wait till after Thanksgiving. Giselle's here to help me. Super excited. Let's get started. This is the before of what we're working with. I don't really know what my vision is for this yet. Definitely want to do some kind of Christmassy table setting. What am I saying? I don't really have a fireplace or like a mantle per se, but I think that maybe like I'm gonna hang some stockings just over this thing. I'm not really sure. I mean, they're gonna have to move this furniture to the left and put the tree right there, or I'm gonna have to move my little bar cart and put the tree in that corner, which I feel like could be nice because if you're sitting and like watching a movie or whatever, you get to like look at the tree versus having it be behind you. So we will see. Also, I got a bunch of garlands that I want to drape along the handrails going like all the way downstairs. First things first, we're making a festive breakfast of cinnamon rolls. Giselle is making, what?
Focaccia.
Homemade focaccia. Next task, I'm gonna be putting up my tree. I actually just got a new tree because for the past few years, or just I guess ever since I've lived in LA, I got this like really tall 7.5 foot pre-lit tree. It was great, but it's like one of the ones, it's not flocked. I've never owned a flocked tree, you know, which like just makes it look a little bit more lifelike. I don't know, more spruced up like branches and everything. And mine was just very triangular, so I thought that this year would be a good year to invest in a new tree. But before we get into that, I wanted to thank today's video sponsor, CVS. I want to share with you guys a little bit about their Care Pass membership, which is a great way to save time and money this holiday season. So for only $5 a month, you can become a Care Pass member, which unlocks a ton of different benefits, including free 1 to 2 day shipping on select CVS products, 20% off all CVS Health and Live Better products. You can also get free same-day prescription delivery for eligible prescriptions, and I'll have the link below so you can locate your store to see if they offer same-day prescription delivery. As a Care Pass member, you also get access to a 24/7 pharmacist helpline, and you get a $10 monthly promo reward to be used at cvs.com or in stores just for being a Care Pass member, and some restrictions apply to that as well, so I'm gonna have that information linked in the description box. I love anything that prevents me from having to leave the house. So anytime I can get anything delivered to me, it's a win in my book, especially during the busy holiday season. We're all, I'm sure, busy shopping for presents, planning like big dinners and holiday gatherings, and even decorating for Christmas. So you can stay at home doing all of those things while having essentials you need from CVS delivered straight to you for free. If you have a question for a pharmacist, you can call the pharmacist helpline at any time and they can answer your questions without you having to leave your house. And just overall, I think it's so convenient. It saves you so much time and money, especially during the winter season wanting to stay healthy. Having that discount on CVS Health products is super awesome. So these are some items I recently had delivered to me with free 1 to 2 day shipping. And I got the discount on some of those items as well. So with all those perks combined, as well as with that $10 promo, I feel like that $5 monthly membership fee, it just pays for itself super quickly. So if you would like to save time and money both during the holiday season and all year long, you can go to the link in my description box to become a Care Pass member and also get your first month free. And you can even register in store if you'd rather do that. So thank you so much again to CVS for sponsoring this video. And it is now tree time. I'm so excited. We have some focaccia updates. That's also gonna carry along with the video. I also failed to address that I am wearing Christmas PJs for this because I just thought that would be in the festive spirit. All decor has been brought upstairs. Dun, 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 dun. The little top part's a little crooked. Like I said, recently got this tree. It was like some frosted tips, which is really cute, but it's still like green overall, and it just has that flocked look, as you can tell. Probably need to fluff it up a little bit more right there, but. Moment of truth, because we didn't plug it in. Ready? 3, 4, 2, 1. Giselle went under there to see if we tighten this. Please look at her feet. Your whole body is laying in the white. Oh, it is all over here. I think we're going with the corner. I mean, we are, it's there. There's like plenty of space. It clears the stairs. Same for the dining table. First up, the stair garland. All right, garland is on. I thought these were gonna stretch a lot farther. I got like 5 individual garlands, thinking that like this railing would take 2, this railing would take 2, and then like 1 here. And 1 like barely fit, but there was no draping to it. It was like super tight and it just looked kind of dumb. So I ended up putting 2 here and then used all of the remaining 3 on that side. So it looks like this. We have a little more draping action. But as a result, nothing on this side. I think it looks okay since like this railing is different in general. And this kind of just like leads your eye up on one side, so.
It was expensive.
Giant! That's better. Rearrange this 1,000 times at this point. Can't really tell what it even looks like. Went in with some little gold pine cones. Next area to tackle. Next for the tree, I have so many ornaments. A long time ago I ditched red for my color scheme, so everything is like metallic tones and like greens. And then I just got a new tree skirt. Focaccia update. Holy cow. For our tree decorating, we are having some wintry sangria. It's just normal sangria, but it's in a wintry cup and it tastes like spice, you know, I mean cinnamony. It's like some winter spice flavors going on. Ornament time. Next up, before ornaments, we have garlands. We have like 2 different varieties of garland, just like some gold beads, and then these metal tone looking ones. I don't actually call it that. I made that up.
I thought you did.
No, I just made that up.
These frou-frous. Got 2 frou-frous left.
Hey. Ornament time?
Yes.
All right, it is looking good. Here we can see more ornaments up close. And now for another fun part. Just in the past like 2 years, I would say, I started accumulating ornaments through or from trips and stuff. Something my parents did each year with us growing up was like every year, even as kids, we would like go pick out an ornament for ourselves that year. Kind of like represented something in our year or whatever. Like the year we got a cell phone, we have like cell phone ornaments. So on kind of like a more frequent note, I decided to start getting either Actually, I don't even know if I've ever gotten an ornament on a trip, but back especially when I used to do a lot of traveling internationally, I would come home and like order online an ornament to represent that trip. So for example, after I was in Croatia, we like wore these little sailing hats around on the boat we were staying on. I thought a little captain's hat ornament could be really cute. I just got the little Eiffel Tower after I went to Paris. These aren't all of mine. This is from Hawaii, actually. I also got like some random ornaments that were just like cute or that represented different things in the past to me. So like I got this little microphone when I was living with Adrian because we used to sing karaoke a lot in our living room, or you guys know I'm really into boxing, but I'm into music as well. Little things like that I think are just like fun to collect over the years. Gonna put these on, and of course I got everything in the same color scheme. Yeah, bend it left a little. Yeah. Oh. Oh my. Star is up. We are pausing on Christmas decor for right now because it is dark out. Daylight savings, these early sunsets are killing me. Akasha update before we sign off. What's happening? Garlic and rosemary. Where I live, it was like just built, but I guess people who built it, all the little plants in like the backyard and my side patio have like mint and rosemary and just like fresh herbs, which I think is so cool versus just like random plants. Yeah. Oh, I just want to smack it.
Smack it, yeah, you're supposed to.
No, my hands are dirty. You can smack it. Oh! Alright, it is now the next morning and I'm gonna finish decorating just a few more things. Still got some fall flowers going at the moment. Ignore the fall florals. I wanna set up some kind of wintry table setting right here. I found these little tree things that I don't think these like fit the most indoors, so I might be setting these out on like my doorstep. I also found this like Christmas doormat, so I'm gonna swap that out just to bring a little bit of festivity to outside. Might in the future use some like twinkly lights outside on like my patio as well, but that's probably not a priority for right now. And then for hanging stockings, I think a good place to hang these might actually be like getting some little stocking hanger things and just having them under the window to fill that blank space. Also, another thing that I love just in general, I just feel like elevates this space in this room all the time is this little art spotlight. So especially at night, it just makes this like look so elegant, I feel like. I've been playing around with which trees and like if I want ornaments out or if I want pine cones or like what. I can't decide what combination like looks the best and what just looks way too cluttered. So here's what it is right now. I'm just using this like gray table runner that's kind of the color of my chairs. I just thought like a cooler tone table runner would be like an easy, I don't know, way to tie in some wintry vibes. Next, going in, just placing a couple of the excess trees on the bar cart. Put out these little wintry glasses that you saw yesterday, and then I think I might put some mini ornaments in some of these glasses just because I have them and I thought it might be an added festive touch. Moving into the half bathroom downstairs. Again, just like some extra little pieces. Mr. Reindeer right here. I thought this could be cute. Relocated the stockings to the stairs. Lighting's kind of harsh, but now it's just like really cute if you're sitting on the couch like watching TV. See the stockings with the tree. And that is it for this video. If you guys have any other ideas of ways I could decorate my space or anything you would change, of course, let me know. I'd love to hear some feedback. Probably gonna tweak a few more things here and there. I'm gonna have some other holiday videos coming up, including some holiday cocktail recipes. My gift guide, of course, is coming soon. If you have any other holiday video requests, please let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.